You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? What you waiting on, little daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant.
Hey girlies, happy fall. This is gonna be my first fall install and I'm so excited because this week is perfecto for freaking fall. So I do have Unice's Balayage Brown Body Wave unit. This is a 7x5 by notch unit. It's 20 inches and it is in the density of 150. This is the overall construction of the unit. It comes with drawstrings at the nape, a comb, and I love the fact that it has an elastic adjustable band, which means we can wear this freaking glueless, okay? So this is the lace up close, y'all. This is pre-everything. We don't have to do any work at all. Pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked is done. And this is the beautiful color, y'all. Look at these brown highlights on this freaking unit. Stop playing. All right, so we're gonna put the wig on out of the box, okay? Straight out the box. Like I said, I'm not gonna do little to no customizations because we're trying to get this done in under 2 minutes tops, okay? So this is the hairline up close. It is pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached. We don't have to do nothing, and as you guys can see, it lays super duper flat, so you can wear it glueless, all right? So we're just going to take a little bit of our cream foundation and we're just going to tap it on the outside of the lace. That's all you need, okay? This is the only product that I am going to be using for this portion of the video. So I did put a little bit too much on, so we're going to wipe some of that off with just a makeup wipe. But look at this, y'all. Y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? So next, we're just going to go in and detangle the hair just using our fingers. You don't need no comb. You don't need no brush. I'm telling you guys, you can wear these units straight out the box. Like, if I literally had somewhere to go, I will be able to go literally because I am done. I don't have to do anything else. Pat at the top, boom. Like, what? Do y'all see this? Y'all, I don't know. Y'all not seeing what I'm saying, but okay, I'm done. All right, under 2 minutes, we out of here. And look at this, y'all. Look at this. All right, so now we're just gonna get into an install for the girls who like to be extra, okay? Like I said, this unit is very versatile. You can pretty much do whatever you like, but I'm gonna go in with some wax and we're just gonna hot comb the hairline. It does come pretty flat, so there's not much hot combing you're going to need to do, which I love, because who wants to be hot combing bulky units? This unit wasn't bulky at all. So now I'm just going in with a little bit of my got2b glue spray. I love this method of melting my lace. It's super easy, super quick, not time consuming at all. I love it, chef's kiss. So we're just going to spray the got2b glue spray on the outside of the lace, and we're just using our finger to press the product in. I'm going in with some cool air, and I'm going in with the back of my comb, pressing the lace down into the product. Mind you, that's why I advise you guys to hot comb it before, because when you put the wax on the hair and then put the hairspray, it does not get sticky or tacky. You can actually comb, you know, right through the hair strands and it's not hard or crunchy or any of that. So that wax really does save the wig. So do y'all love fall and winter just as much as I do? I love freaking fall. I love the decor. I love just the leaves outside. I just love the whole vibe that fall gives, especially winter. Don't get me started on winter. But like I said, this week is going to be the perfect fall freaking unit. You need it. So we're going to go ahead and let this melt for about 10 minutes. All right, so this is what the lace looks like, sis. What lace? And honestly, there was no difference between me melting the lace and just, you know, wearing it completely glueless as I did in the first half of the video. Still giving scalp either freaking way. So y'all know how much I love my Sebastian spray. We gotta have that spray. This is just gonna lock everything in, have everything sitting nice and neat. Also, if there's any flyaways at this point, Sebastian is gonna take care of that. So again, it's just going over each section where I sprayed the hairspray and hot combing everything down. So to create volume in the front, I like to hot comb in the upward direction. You definitely have to go in with some hairspray. Sebastian will do that. Everything will be locked in, but this just creates a little bump up at the top of the unit, and you can use the back of the comb to, keep everything in place as well. We're now going in to define the part, just using a little bit of the cream foundation again in the darker shade. And we're just going to trace that all the way back to where the part stops. Also, I love the parting on this freaking unit. Look how far back this freaking part goes. So we're just going to spray a little bit of this black spray to perfect our part. And look at this, y'all. This is freaking insane. Stop playing with your girl. So I'm just gonna go in and comb out the hair. I'm just trying to shape it to see which way I want the curls to flow and just pretty much how I want the curls to lay. I decided to go ahead and cut some layers into the unit as well, because I like for the front of the unit just to frame my face a little bit to help my bumps stay up in place. I'm just adding these 2 little clips and just gonna let that sit there for some time. But look at this, y'all. Look at the freaking curls. All right, so lastly, I'm just gonna go in and refresh some of the curls towards the top of the unit. Everybody loves them a good flat iron curl. I'm actually learning how to do this. I've always curled with actual curling irons or curling wands, but I really haven't practiced as much with the flat iron. And I love the curls, but it's just the color combo with the curls that eat all the way down. Ain't nobody gonna tell you nothing, okay? So one thing I love as well is that, pretty much everything is done. Like, even if you are a beginner, this is not gonna be hard for you to achieve at all, because the coloring's done, the plucking's done, the cutting's done. You just literally got to put it on. And even if you don't want to secure it down, you don't have to do it as well. So this is how that turned out, y'all. Y'all cannot tell me nothing. Look at this freaking unit, guys. If you don't get it for the fall, I'm gonna be side-eyeing you real heavy. Overall, I'm gonna rate this unit a freaking 10 out of 10. I have no complaints. The unit did not feel dry or anything. I would say though, if this unit was 180% in density, it would have ate all the way down. It's 150, but I love it. It's a more natural look, more natural vibe, and it's definitely around the density of my own natural hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will leave this unit linked down in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see you later.